from $0 to $350 in just one night on TikTok. Under 1 hour, I was able to make this amount. You guys, you need to like jump with me because I'm going to be telling you the exact strategy that I use in earning this particular money. So if you're somebody that is interested in this video, make sure that you're sticking and bring out your ears because you're going to be listening to every details I'm going to be giving you because you're going to use this exact strategy that I use. You're going to be seeing the result because it worked for me and it has been working for everybody that I've been telling. So if you're somebody that is lazy, you don't know what to do on TikTok, this particular strategy is what you're going to be using to cash out real big because you can see on the screen here, this one is not cho. This one is proof is talking. I'm talking with proof. I don't just talk without proof. You can see the earnings here, you can see the withdrawal here. I'm going to be attaching everything. There's no gatekeeping because I'm right from when I withdrawed it to TikTok to getting into my PANS account to getting into my bank accounts. I'm going to be leaving everything here. You guys are going to be seeing it. You don't even need to you don't need to do too much. So all you have to do is stick into this strategy that I'm going to be using because it literally works for me and it works for everybody. Number one, make sure that you're a consistent creator. If you're not consistent, my dear, this video is not for you. You're not going to make it. It's not cost. You're not going to make it. If you're not consistent, you're not going to make it. Yes. So you need to make sure that you're always charging your phone because you don't know. I'm going to be telling you guys a story because my village people came through for me that night, but I told them that I'm bigger and better than you and I can overpower you. That's what I told my village people that night when I made this particular money in under 1 hour. So let's say that all you have to do is that when you go around TikTok, you can go all around TikTok live streaming, start welcoming people. You see people in higher levels. Levels are like the more you give, the more your levels are increasing on TikTok. Some persons do it for fun, some persons do it to get more visibility because a lot of people will want to connect to you because you're a big gifter, hoping that one day you're going to give them as well. I'm in level 21 on TikTok and I'm not a big gifter, but you see that I give because without giving, you're not going to level up on TikTok. You must be a giver for you to receive. Some people said I don't even give, they receive because I don't know, they are just lucky. You can be lucky. Grace can just find you and you will see yourself earning because like you guys, you have to really look into this video because like I said, be a consistent creator. Even if you're not a content creator, because you're not going to be posting videos in this particular way. All you have to do you can just post a video whereby you're vibing to a song, like doing this fine guest stuff, doing this artistic video stuff, and then you can post it and then you go on live stream. So the people that comes across that your video on your FYP, they can join your live stream. So a particular creator, he's a TikToker. He doesn't do TikTok, he just comes there for fun. On that night, my battery was 1%. Do you know? My battery was 1%. I was on the live stream. My battery was 1%. And my phone went off. You see the village people that I'm talking about. I didn't know what to do. One might kept telling me, do not give up. Do not give up. Go and plug your phone. There's still lights. My phone was always in iPhone temperature full. Allow phone to cool. You see, when God wants to bless you, a lot of things comes up that want to discourage you for you not to continue. So I said, no, I have to continue. That was about 2 a.m. in the night. 2 a.m. in the night, my own time, Nigerian time. So I went in to plug my phone again. My phone was at 2% and I went back to resume my live stream. So as soon as I resumed my live stream, all of a sudden, I just played a match with a girl, my friend. She's a TikToker as well. I played a game with her. And the person came and gifted me wave diving. I'm going to be leaving it right there because I wanted to faint that night. My reaction was just priceless. I didn't even believe it. Wave diving, I've never received wave diving before. Wave diving cost about $20-something. And I'm going to be getting $10 in return. You understand? Because TikTok takes 50%. After that, after I left, I went ahead to play with another creator. And then this same person came in and gifted me a lion. May God bless his kind heart. May God bless his kind heart. And a lion costs about $300. TikTok is going to take 50% as usual and you get $150. That is it. So after I left, I came into my live stream again. After I finished playing live match with that particular person, I came into the live stream again. And the same person came again. Mind you, I'm married. It's not like I'm single. A lot of single girls are making lots of money on TikTok. You don't it's not like you're meeting these people real. Maybe they just want to appreciate your beauty. They want to buy you lunch. Maybe we just come. What do you want to have for breakfast? They'll just tell you to send your account number. People do it. I'll be like, are people really this kind? We can just come to your live stream to bless you. All of a sudden, he came in again and dropped me another lion. That night was literally my night. I can't keep forgetting that night because I was so broke. I didn't even know what to do. So this is me telling you guys the strategy that worked for me. I'm telling you my story as well. I know, like, I'm a good storyteller, and I know that you are really enjoying this story. So he came in and dropped me another lion. That was 2 lions. I screamed. Like, I had to put my reaction for you guys to see. Like, I'm ashamed of myself right now, but I was so happy. Like, I was so grateful. I kept praying. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you, sir. God bless you, sir. May everything you look for, may you never lack. That's what I kept praying. That is to tell you that you should not give up in any situation you find yourself. Do not give up. Now who give up, now lose. We say it in the African pidgin. Now who give up, now lose. If you give up, now you lose. So after that, I came in again after making such amounts in under 1 hour. In under 1 hour, I came back again from $0 to $350. Just imagine. I came back again in the morning, 5 a.m. and I came back again. I made another $50. That is how I accumulated the $350 that I went ahead to withdraw right into my account. So you guys, oh my God, like, I know that you want to monetize your TikTok account. This is the right way for you to monetize your account. That small gifter you see today, that one gifter can give you a lot of money that you do not even imagine that you can ever get. So you guys, make sure that you become a consistent creator today. Like, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be seeing you on my next video. Thank you for watching. My son is just crying.